Warrior Tree pose, or Virabhadrasana III in Sanskrit, is one of the 3 strengthening warrior poses, also called flying warrior pose. The practitioner balances on one leg with the other stretched back. Arms stretched to the front. The pose develops balance and focus while toning the legs, core, and arms. Begin in Tadasana. Inhale, reach your arms to ceiling to lengthen the spine. Exhale, bend from the hips, bring the body down, parallel the floor, keeping the head in line with the arms. While staying in this position, strongly engage onto the abdominals to prevent the low back from overarching. Slowly shift the weight towards the right foot. Lean the spine forward as you inhale. Lift your left leg up, extending through the left hip. The body is forming a T shape in this plane. The left leg strongly engage all the way towards the foot. Reach out through your heel as if you're pressing a wall behind you. Muscles of both legs actively engage. Stand knee straight, but do not lock the knee. Stretch your body from your fingertips all the way through your lifted heel. This will keep your arms, torso, hips, and raised leg parallel to the floor. Engage strongly onto the abdominals. Gaze at the floor a few feet in front of your body. Breathe while holding the pose. To release, inhale. Stand up tall, lower down the left foot. Exhale, hands to the side, back to Tadasana. Warrior 3 can be assumed from Warrior 1. Inhale, hands by the hips. Exhale, step back. Inhale, arms, lift up from the side to Warrior 1. As you exhale, lean the body forward, shifting weight towards the left leg. And raise up the right leg parallel floor. Spine and arms also parallel floor. Kicking strongly onto the back of the leg and engage the abdominals strongly. Breathe and hold here. To release the right leg, step back into Warrior 1 as you inhale. Exhale, hands at the hips. Inhale, step to the front. Exhale, hands lower down the sides. Back to Tadasana. Beginners or tight hamstrings can practice with the blocks. Shoulders are sticking on top of the wrist. When you inhale, raise your left leg to the back. Keep the spine and the back leg parallel to the floor. The hips are kept level. Exhale, lower the leg down. Inhale, spine and arms up. Exhale, back to Tadasana.